What's up, Reefer Revolutionaries? I'm Dave Conan.
I'm Coach Chela.
And we are DC 420 LA. And if you watch our show on Sundays at 420 Pacific, The Week in Weed, you know that we have been debating on which tabletop vaporizer to invest in, the Volcano or the Arizer Extreme Q. And after an extensive poll from last week's show, where our audience voted, the winner was, dun dun dun, the Arizer Extreme Q for numerous reasons. And
not the least of which that it was a lot more affordable.
Like 1/3 the price.
Yeah.
So,
as you may already know.
And so we are going to do our very first unboxing. And here it is, the box. Let's get into it, shall we? Go ahead. What were you saying?
Which we've already opened.
We've actually, we pre-opened. We've pre-opened the box.
I didn't want to waste your time with the cutting of the tape. I thought that was unnecessary.
No, we do a 4-hour show. We wouldn't want to waste your time. All right, let's get into it, shall we? Special shout out to Anthony, Vegan Metro, for sending us the link for the best deal on the Arizer Extreme Q on eBay. And we shall blame Anthony if anything's missing. All right, let's see. No, we won't actually. We love Anthony. Here we go. Chela, you want to do the honors and start... Here we have the packing list. The packing list here.
Okay.
The accessory box.
This looks like lavender. They pack it with lavender?
It's a potpourri.
A potpourri?
It's a potpourri.
Is that the stuff that kills people?
If you
smoke
it because it's sprayed with K2. All right, so let's see. You want to go for the accessories first?
No.
Let's go for the unit first.
Let's go. Unit.
Yeah, let's take that out of the way. Nice packing. Here. Remote control.
I feel like we totally could have
done this before.
Done this like prop people and like taken everything out of the packaging and pulled it out one by one, but that's cheating, I think.
Where's the fun in that?
Everything was very well packed, carefully packaged.
Power cord. What goes with that? Let's get rid of the scissors in case there's any flailing.
He's taking the scissors away from me.
Very nice. These are the mouthpieces. They seem very well
protected. I like that. They're well protected. Even the point is still there.
That's a glass stirring tool.
It looks like it, yes. It's very nice. Actually, I feel like I'm blocking things by the stuff being there.
This here.
Instructions.
RTM. Arizer Extreme Q.
May I please have the scissors that you keep taking away from me?
Sorry.
Thank you.
Q means quiet. Q means quiet.
What are you saying?
The screen. We have our screen.
Dude, I totally should have prepped all this shit. You guys, I don't know if this is the traditional unboxing, but this just seems lame. The cutting off of the things. 2
bags. You get 2 bags. You're going to need your scissors for this as well.
Okay, I'll get that.
Well protected.
I'll take care of all the scissoring.
So, I'll tell you what, with your scissoring, that would be the case.
Just saying. I still am not sure about this potpourri.
With our bag situation.
I'm not using potpourri.
No, the potpourri is something you can do to hide your
section. My God.
People right? I think that's our... Ooh, that looks like a very... that's a big bowl there. Is that the bowl?
That's very big.
That's the potpourri bowl.
There's an instruction manual right over there.
Yeah, I watched a video too. I Googled that shit.
So you don't know what you're doing? Even though you Googled it?
I'm going with the flow. This is I'm betting this is the potpourri thing. Yeah, you see? This is for the potpourri.
Aeration? Really?
Yes, this is for the lavender.
Look in the manual. Let's see what it says. Oh, you already saw a thing. We've been married 25 years.
I'd like everyone to take a look at the picture of the manual to which she refers to. Chela refers.
Oh, look, it's for the potpourri.
Too funny. Okay, so that's for the potpourri. We can maybe
potpourri
try that.
warmer.
We can try that.
Essential oils diffuser.
There you go.
Aromatherapy device.
That's that.
And herbal steamer vaporizer. God, I love it.
Okay, and now this is for your medicinal herbs.
Ah.
You see. Now, there's 2 ways to use the Arizer Extreme. This is the whip. And this is used in a traditional hookah manner.
I like that idea.
Without the fan, you see.
I like that idea.
Draw. And this is all glass on glass.
I love that.
This is covered, you see, to pick up when it's hot. You see this black coating on the outside?
The rubber ring.
Yes. That's how you pick
great.
it up on the outside. So this is the way. Smart. This is one way to use it, is through the.
I like that idea. I think that's what we'll do later.
Yep, during the show.
Yeah, because that bag would be bad for sound.
We're going to do both. We're going to do both. And then this.
Bad for sound bag. Okay.
Is how you. No.
Like that?
No, honey.
No.
No,
oh, no, honey.
No, dear. You need to RTM.
RTM?
Read the manual. This is how you fill.
You're being awfully snarky today.
Wait, you told me to read that. You told me to read the manual. You told me to read the manual.
For your tone. In front of other people. I just want you all to witness. I have the scissors.
All right. That's why you have the scissors. So here we are. We have the Arizer Extreme Q. We are trying today. Now we're going to go into, okay, so this is what we have to do. We have to prep the unit before we use it.
Uh-huh.
Because obviously I need to smoke some.
Something.
So we need to do this. What we need to do is the accessories need to be washed in warm, soapy water.
Why are you telling me?
I'm being snarky. We shall see.
You're saying
we
that
shall
like
do
I'm the washerwoman or
we
something.
We shall do a poll. and then this will be, and then we need to plug this in.
Okay.
Turn it on at its highest temperature.
All right.
And put the bowl on top as well. And then allow it to heat for 30 minutes.
Each bowl needs to be heated?
The one we use. This is in case you only need one. This is in case you break one. But for today's purposes, we're going to heat this. We're going to heat the unit so that it burns off all of any chemicals that are left over from the manufacturing. Factory muck. And then our accessories will be. I'm going to break the potpourri bowl. The accessories will be washed and ready to use.
Just like a ball.
And we'll use it during the show today. Alrighty, Reefer Revolutionaries, let's recap. We have our Arizer Extreme Q. This is the heating unit here. We have a cool remote control, which we can control all of the functions from. Very cool. We've got our whip with our glass mouthpiece and our glass-on-glass connection. Got a couple of extra glass mouthpieces. Here we have our glass bowls. We've got 2 of them, as well as our potpourri dish here. Some extra screens for when you do need to change them out. Over on this side, we've got the 2 bags. Comes with 2 bags with the fittings. We've got the elbow to fill the bags. And we've got our glass stirring device here to mix the herbs when they need a little mixing. So we're going to check it out on the show.
Whee!
Whee! All right.
Tune in.
That's the unboxing. The review and the use will happen during the show. Stay tuned.
Thanks, everybody. Snarky fucker.